Hey YouTube, Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. I have such a treat for you. I have an incredible farmer who has been farming all his life, and he is still farming. This is Mr. Jennings, and how old are you?
96.
He is 96, and he's proving it by showing me his, we won't show it to the camera, but wow, that is amazing. Thank you so much for having us out today to your farm. And I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about agriculture and why you love doing it and some of the things that you've done, okay?
Good.
Mr. Jennings, can you tell the folks at YouTube why you love farming?
Well, I grew up on a farm. And my whole family, whatever like that, and back in 1924 and 5, and I was born in 28. And when I was 6 years old, I asked my father, what could I do? I said, started to ask questions, can I do that? Can I do that? And I started raising chickens. I bought my first suit from raising chickens at 10 years old. And I told my dad, if you buy a tractor, I'll plow all night. So he did. He bought a John Deere tractor and whatever, and I've been plowing ever since.